Hello dear students, welcome to Bio Vidyalaya. Finally, your CSIR NET Cutoff and your rank list are released. You can go to the CSIR NET website. This is the website. Here you can see under news and announcement, there is a link. Join CSIR UGC JRF NET Cutoff. This is the cutoff. Click on that. Here you can see the PDF of cutoff. Here you can find the life science cutoff. This is for junior research fellowship. Here you can see this is for general category. Here EWS, here OBC, SC, ST and PWD. Next is lectureship. Next is lectureship cutoff. Here you can find this is for general category, that is 97.505 3291, and this is EWS, here OBS, here SC, ST, PWD. Okay, so this is the general category cutoff for junior research fellow 98.8142819. Okay, you can find your rank list also. For that, you can go to the website. Here above the cutoff, you can find another link. This is the link. Click on this link. So this is the rank list. Okay, here the candidates whose roll numbers listed below have qualified in the test for JRF NET. They are eligible for lectureship also. So here you can find your roll number and this is the corresponding rank. Okay, if you scroll down, this is the candidates whose roll numbers are listed below have qualified for JRF only. Okay, and here you can see lectureship also. See, here you can see that the candidates who are qualified for lectureship. Okay, so here you can find your roll number and corresponding rank. Okay, here you can give your roll number. For example, I am giving this roll number AM 0301330063 0301330063. Okay, so this is the roll number and this is the corresponding rank. Okay, so you can find this way. So quickly go and check your rank. If you didn't find your roll number, don't worry, you are not qualified for the examination. And don't be panic. You can prepare for the next examination. You can score more marks in that examination. Don't worry about that. Just prepare for the next examination. So quickly go and check your rank list. All the best.